Hey guys, this is Matt here with Ranch Armor UTV in Texas. Today we're gonna put on Mahindra Side Steps. We actually made them here, built them here. We are the only manufacturer of Mahindra Side Steps, so where you do not have to drill into the side panel of your Mahindra. I'm gonna go through step by step the tools that you need, the hardware that you need, and this is a quick and easy install. So you guys, if you have a Mahindra and you wanna buy some, let us know. Guys, so here's the hardware list for what you're gonna install today. We're gonna have our rear bracket. It's got an R on it so that it's easily identifiable. The front bracket has an F on it so that it is easily identifiable as well. Down to the toolage, we're going to start with a 13 mil socket, then we're going to work our way up to 15, and finally to 17. You can go short or deep well. An extension will make your life easier. 2 wrenches needed are going to be a 13 mil and a 15 mil. The 17 does not need a wrench because it goes right into underneath the body. Down for the hardware, oh, I'm sorry, the caps. The caps are going to go on your tubes of your side steps. That's just a quick, easy pop in. Hardware-wise, we're going to go 3/8 bolt, 1 inch long. We're going to go lock washer, 2 flat washers, and the 3/8 nut to go with it. And then we're going to go 5/16, 2 of them by 1 inch long with 1 flat washer and then 1 coinciding nut. An electric ratchet will make your life easier. I'm a yellow guy, but they're not sponsoring us, so you can use whatever one you want. Green, purple, pink, whatever, just not red. Finally, you're gonna need your handy dandy side step, and this is gonna literally come over here and latch right in there, and you're more than halfway done. So now we're inside the cab, just sitting outside of it. We're gonna take our 5/16. We're gonna load a washer on here. There's 2 holes pre-drilled into your Mahindra steps, if you can see here. There's a lip on your Mahindra. Now what this bolt's gonna do essentially is gonna go through this hole and sit underneath here. We're gonna lock it in with the nut, obviously. So it's gonna sit essentially just like this underneath here, so that when you step on this, it's basically going to lock it in. It doesn't actually go through a hole on the vehicle itself. It's just going to go through the step and sit underneath this lip. That way it can fight gravity for you. You're going to run it in a little bit. Then you're going to stick my stubby fingers back here. Get it going. And then we're going to grab our wrench. And that's how you do that. You're going to rinse and repeat on the back side. On the back side with the seat here, it does get a little bit tighter, but it's nothing unmanageable. Even if you have to use a wrench, 2 wrenches instead of the electric ratchet, it'll probably take you 45 seconds, honestly. All right, and we'll get back to you on the next step. Top down, lock washer first, then regular washer with the F towards the step. We're going to sit here through the top right here. And we're going to cap it off on the bottom. If I can get it. Okay, so that's on. We're going to keep that finger tight. We're going to make sure that this stair lines up with where it's supposed to be underneath here. And then underneath, let me get out of your way here. If you go underneath, you have these carriage bolts underneath there, size 17. That's what that socket's for. You're going to pull these out, slide them straight through this bracket, and straight back in with the impact. And then the same thing back here when we get this one. There's another carriage bolt that lines up with the bracket perfectly. 17, out, put it through, and back in. And then you're gonna cap off your steps with the little plastic caps, and you're good to go. That's pretty much all there is to it. I'm gonna walk you through the rest right now. All right, guys, kind of a rinse and repeat here. It's a 3/8 bolt, lock washer, flat washer, on top, on the side with the R for rear. That's gonna go on top of this bracket mount. Right in there like so. Back side, you're gonna get a washer and a handy dandy 3/8 nut. Spin that thing on, finger tight. Now we're gonna grab our electric ratchet. So now you're going underneath the vehicle, you're going into the carriage bolts underneath the Mahindra. So you're gonna get your ratchet or impact gun, probably an extension, a short one, and your 17 millimeter socket. You're gonna drill out, put the bolt through the other side of the bracket, and drill right back in.
So before you tighten it, you want to...
Yeah, before you tighten anything, you want to finger tighten it, make sure it lines up. Then you're going to start cinching it down. Okay, so now we got them all finger tight. Switch that over. There we go. Now, last step, caps, which are here. Just slide right in. Obviously the groove side slides right into the tube. If they give you a little bit of trouble, take a rubber mallet or the back of your drill and pop those puppies in there. Good to go. All right, guys, so now we're gonna finish off here. We're gonna tighten these 3/8 bolts that we left. So when we tighten everything, it's gonna sit just like that. We're just gonna tighten that down. And now, when you step on it, you get no problems. No problemo. Hey guys, so that completes the Mahindra Side Step install. That was one side of it. You know, I did it solo. It took probably about 15, 20 minutes. Just a couple bolts. Now the best part is, once again, no drilling into the outside of your Mahindra. No body damage, nothing to worry about. If you decide you want to take them off, take it off-roading, put bigger tires on. Very easy to manage this outfit. If you guys have any questions on install or hardware, or if you can do or don't do something, my email address is mj@rancharmorutv.com. Once again, my name is Matt. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Somebody buy some and review them and tell us what you think that way. You can get all that stuff at rancharmorutv.com. Order yours today. Let us know what you think. We're excited to do business with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.